Testimony time. Oh, God came through for me years ago when I wasn't working and my husband wasn't working. But I love church and I was going to church. I was a very good person in church, I'm telling you. It's not like now I'm not going to church that regular. But back then, no church service couldn't miss me. On Sundays, I would go to church 3 times. And I would try to be at church during the week because I said I wasn't working. So on this particular Sunday evening, I was lying down resting, with my husband after second service at church. So it's Sunday evening and I was trying to, hold our vibes. So my neighbor, which I call my mother, very nice lady, good woman. But, people have their own opinion about people. So no matter how you say somebody nice, somebody else will have a different opinion. But that lady was a lady that I love very much. Well, now she passed and gone. But I'm telling you, when she shouted out to me and asked me if I'm going to church, I jump up and said, yes, 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 I'm going to church. And I get myself ready for church. So it's about after 6. Because church would start like 7 o'clock. And rain fell in the day, so the place kind of wet. And on our way walking, because it's a good distance, about like a mile from where I live to the church. So we were walking and she met a lady from a different church and she was our friend, so they stopped. And a whole reason and thing like that, and me decided to walk on because nobody wasn't talking to me. And like something said to me, you step on something. Remember, the place is dark. Can't see anything because there's no light on the road for you to see anything. But something clicked me and said you step on something. And it's not like I could feel what I step on or anything, but something said something to me. And I bend down and, take up whatever. So when I reach further down the road now in the light, I decide to open up what, I stoop down and take up. Lo and behold, it was $2,000. Back then you didn't have $5,000. $1,000 was the ice. I'm telling you, I was so happy. Was so happy. By this time, my church sister that I was walking with catch me up and I said to her, how much you believe in God? And she said, yes man, I believe in a God, man. And I said, when you stop and talk to the other church lady, I find something, I find some money, and I tell her how much I find. And I said, I'm gonna give you something out of it. And I give her $500. I change it and give her $500 and I have the $1,500. And that $1,500 I use to go to the market to buy my grocery on the Tuesday because the Monday was holiday. So I'm telling you, if you just trust in God, believe, have full confidence, God will always send something for you. Always, I'm telling you. There's no doubt about it. And he will send from some place where you're not going to believe it will come from. You understand? So that is my testimony. And I have a lot more testimony to give you of how God came through for me. But, I'll just leave it there for now. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. You will get comedy. You will get motivation speech. You will get everything, a little bit of everything. Like when you cook pot. And so you will get it right over yourself on this platform. Yeah. Yes. And then a testimony we may have an live makeup testimony. Them are real testimony. You understand? Yes.